we're gonna turn Sarah's hair into a Christmas tree. She's performing tonight in an online cabaret called Singular Sensation, hosted by the fabulous Jeni Walls. Please check that out. It's every Monday night, starting around 8-ish. It used to be live in person and then COVID. So now it's online, and she's done a really beautiful job of transitioning to online. And it's a mixture of talking and introduction and performances, as well as
like interviews,
trending topics.
She wants me to talk about my business and my the pies and the baking.
Sarah has a baking business. It's her lifetime side hustle, but also her COVID hustle at the moment. We'll link that below. You can order pies if you're in the Toronto area, and if you're not in the Toronto area, she has been known to ship, and it has been successful. Is tonight a Christmas special one?
No, it's sort of a Tsujiuchi's birthday.
Tsujiuchi's birthday!
And
national treasure. Tsujiuchi is an incredible writer of music, orchestrator of music, conductor of music.
Yes.
Tsujiuchi is just incredible, and he has a Christmas cabaret. I will also link that below because it is just absolutely enjoyable. And if you're feeling at all Grinchy, it's going to make your Christmas. It's just going to make your Christmas. Even in the land of Covidia, it's going to make your Christmas. Okay, so for the performance, Sarah would like Christmas tree hair. And we are in Sarah's house, which is why I am wearing my mask and Sarah is not. It makes me feel better to know that I am doing my part to protect her airspace. Christmas tree hair was sort of, I don't know, I think it started becoming kind of popular in the late 50s.
Yeah.
And when I say popular, I mean kitsch. Popular.
Full kitsch.
People weren't just wandering around with Christmas tree hair. They were doing it specifically for a cocktail party. And if they had the hair to do it with, then they would. Otherwise, they had hats and hair pieces that would go on. So Sarah has incredibly thick hair, and she has a lot of hair. A lot of the videos you see online are done with water bottles. I don't know that that would be strong enough to hold her hair up without knocking the water bottle all the way down to her neck like a ponytail. What I have observed is, let's pretend that this is a water bottle, is people will basically take the water bottle, put it there, and then they will brush all the hair up and over and then elasticize it.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're going to try a couple different things, and as they fail, we'll try something else. And if we have to, we will run out to the Dollarama, buy a bottle of water, drink it, and use it. Because you have so much hair, we're going to try using these.
Are you going to do sort of like a wrap end situation?
That's what we're going to find out.
I like this story.
That's what this is about.
Okay, let's do it.
We're also going to try these donuts because the fact that they're grippy means that they won't slide around her head quite as much, and I'll be able to stick bobby pins to help support all the hair. So I think that for her amount of hair and her weight of hair, this might be the best option.
Okay.
album. We also have some duets online. That better? That feels better.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay.